Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and it's here. The major winter storm is starting today, and it's not going to end until sometime tomorrow evening, especially across the Ohio Valley. Now, the heaviest snow band's pretty much where I thought it was going to be. I think they're going to set up just again south of Indianapolis, just north over or right over Cincinnati. There's still a slight chance that the precipitation could change over to some sleet or freezing rain, especially just east of Cincinnati. But I think for the most part, this is just going to be a major snow event, historic in some respects. Indianapolis, you're going to see about a foot of snow the way it looks. There will be blowing and drifting of the snow as well. So not much you can do about it now. Just sit back and enjoy the winter wonderland that's going to occur across the area. So now let's just focus on the post-storm. What's going to happen? It is going to be bitter cold. So what does that really truly mean? Well, wind chill factors are going to be well below zero, but the main impact will be the roads. Salt and the mixtures that the state and local governments put down on the roads will not do much. You're going to see snow-covered roads for quite some time, pretty much throughout most of the week. And then there's going to be the other additional problem is that there will be some sunshine and some of it will melt. But because of the temperatures being so cold, it'll almost instantly freeze back up. And so there's going to be some ice out there as well. So if you're going to be walking around, be very, very careful. Driving, no question about it. You're just going to have to sit back and just want to kind of wait this one out. Now, also by Wednesday, there could be another shot of some light snow. Looks like maybe an Alberta clipper coming down, and that could give you another 1 to 3 inches of snow throughout the Midwest. Have to keep an eye on that. But what I'm really kind of watching on is a little bit further down the road by the end of the week. Remember, you get your heaviest snows when the cold air is already in place. Good example is today and tomorrow. But since the cold air is still going to be there, there's going to be a couple southern storms developing once again. There is another potential for a pretty good storm later on in the week. Right now, the models are having a hard time with that, but it is going to develop and it's going to stay pretty much to the south right now. But we'll keep an eye on it for you as we head on through the remainder of the upcoming week. Just kind of a little bit of a heads up on that. But once again, guys, just take it easy out there. There's going to be a lot of ice in Kentucky and Tennessee. That's going to cause its own set of problems, especially for power outages there for you as well. So again, major winter storm is starting today and it's going to stick around for a few days and then it's going to be just Arctic cold. I'm George, the Weather Dad.